Here we go, some oil pulling. I blogged about this a little bit ago, and I've been doing this for almost 2 weeks every day now. And what I'm sharing with you, I largely got from Dr. Josh Axe. He's easily searchable on Google, YouTube, and things like that. He's my favorite on the topic matter that I've found of how to do oil pulling with organic coconut oil. Raw, unfiltered organic coconut oil. And I'm going to tell you the health benefits according to Dr. Josh Axe once I demonstrate this for you. And it'll be pretty quick. Hi, Jode. Hi, Laura. Nice to see you. So first, you get this beautiful coconut oil, organic, raw, unfiltered, all of that stuff. Hi, Mariah, Brooke, again. Amy. Wow, so many people I saw earlier today. You take approximately between, I don't know, a teaspoon, maybe closer to a tablespoon, and you just put it in your mouth. And at first, you kind of got to chew it for a couple of seconds, then it melts pretty quickly, and you swish it around for 10 to 20 minutes. Me being the A-type that I am, I went for the 20 minutes. Hi, Jode, Cher, Amethyst. A little chewy at first, then it melts, and you swish it around. I'm just going to do it for a few seconds, not the whole 20 minutes. Okay. And you spit it in a trash can rather than the sink. I've heard of people clogging up their sinks by spitting it out in the plumbing, so in the wastebasket it goes. So I like doing, I already did it today. I did it today when I was in a shower. My shower was about 10 minutes. I still had 10 minutes to go, so I just did other things like getting ready and things like that. Obviously, I'm not finished getting ready. And once 20 minutes was up, I spit it in the wastebasket. So that's what I did today. And sometimes I'll be on my computer for 20 minutes. I'll swish it around as long as I'm not using the voice message thing and I'm just going to be typing. Pretty cool. So it's one of those things you can do without taking time outside of your day to do it. Pretty neat. And Dr. Josh Axe recommends when you first do this, do it every day for 2 weeks. And then as a maintenance thing after that, a couple times a week. So that's what I'm doing. And tomorrow is going to be the end of my 2-week phase, and then after that I'm just going to follow his direction and do it a couple times a week. My mouth feels great after every time that I do it. It feels great generally. And then, you know, rinse out, after you spit it out in the wastebasket, rinse out with some water, and then go brush your teeth, floss, whatever you're going to do. I already flossed. I like flossing actually first thing in the morning, and then I'll do that, and then I'll brush. And my mouth feels great. I'll brush later though. So I'm going to get into the health benefits of this now, because a lot of people ask, why would I do this? All right, well, let me move this camera here. So I got this up on my computer. I can't remember them all. So let me read them for you. Hi, Paulette. Hi, Kimberly. Hi. Wow, a lot of people. Michelle. Nina. Nice to see everybody. So the health benefits to oil pulling, according to Dr. Josh Axe. Treats tooth decay, kills bad breath, heal bleeding gums, prevent heart disease, reduce inflammation, whiten teeth, soothe throat dryness, prevent cavities, heal cracked lips, boost the immune system, improve acne, strengthen gums and jaws, heal minor to medium cavities, strengthen tooth enamel. I've even heard that I read and heard it heals gingivitis. For some reason I didn't put that on there. I'm reading from my blog site from Josh Axe, but it does all those things. So that's pretty cool. I had no idea oil pulling could be so beneficial. And when I first started talking about this, I had a few friends come out and tell me that, yeah, I actually healed my bleeding gums. I've healed my gum disease, my gingivitis, cavities, and some other things I've heard. And then I've also heard a lot of people say they've experienced nothing from it. Me, on the other hand, my mouth just feels great. I don't have any mouth problems. If I did, I would love to be able to tell you, yeah, this thing fixed fill in the blank. But it does feel pretty cool. And, you know, all these other things. Prevents cavities. Maybe I have a cavity coming that I prevented. I have no idea. How about the one, prevents heart disease? That alone is like, wow, that's a pretty good reason to do it. Reduces inflammation, another good reason to do it. So that's, I feel pretty confident it's doing things that I don't feel, because there's a lot of things going on in the body that we really don't feel after all until it's too late. So who knows what this is doing for me. And that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you. Hi, Lisa. Amethyst, I don't understand what it's going to what is going on with the phone, this video, and the last one, it doesn't let me comment. Well, you're commenting right now, Amethyst, so it looks like it's working now. Cool. All right, so if you guys have questions on this, you want to see the blog where I've got this whole thing outlined, the direction that Dr. Josh Axe gave, if you want to follow that plan. And anything else, just let me know and I'll give you the link to the blog that I made for this. I'll probably include this video embedded on that blog too. That would kind of make sense. And just ask me and I'll make sure you have it. It's pretty awesome information, to be honest with you. Hi, Athena. Very nice to see you. Christina. So I'm going to end this now. If you just chimed in, it'll be archived. It's a live feed. Facebook is pretty good about that. Just watch the video. It's pretty good. Okay? So bye for now, everybody. Mwah! And my website, by the way, is TomBerkenmeyer.com, spelled just like it is here on social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. I've got thousands of video vlogs and blog entries with all kinds of good stuff to do with health, healing, money, wealth, freedom, philosophy, recipes, you name it. The brand you're asking for, Jode, that I'm using in this one is called Spectrum. It's USDA organic coconut oil. Non-GMO, project verified, made by Spectrum. And the only ingredient listed is 100% mechanically pressed organic coconut oil. Pretty good stuff. It's another thing. Look at the ingredients. It's got things listed other than coconut oil, then probably no good. Bye for now, everybody. And feel free to share this, okay?